In this video, we will explore the different sparkling wine varieties, their production methods, and the best ways to pair them with food. By the end of this training, you will have a deeper appreciation for sparkling wines and be able to confidently select and serve them for any occasion. Section 1. Varieties of sparkling wines. Sparkling wines come in a wide range of varieties, each with their own unique flavors and characteristics. Here are some of the most popular sparkling wine varieties. Champagne. This sparkling wine is made in the Champagne region of France and is often associated with luxury and celebration. Champagne is made from a blend of Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, and Pinot Meunier grapes and has a crisp, refreshing taste with notes of apple, pear, and citrus. Prosecco. This sparkling wine is made in the Veneto region of Italy and is known for its light, fruity flavor with notes of green apple and pear. Cava. This sparkling wine is made in the Penedès region of Spain and is typically made from the Macabeo, Parellada, and Xarel-Lo grape varietals. Cava has a dry, crisp taste with flavors of green apple and citrus. Section 2. Production methods of sparkling wines. There are two main methods for producing sparkling wines. Traditional method. This method, also known as the champagne method, involves a secondary fermentation that takes place in the bottle. After the first fermentation, a mixture of yeast and sugar is added to the wine, which produces carbon dioxide and creates the bubbles. Charmat method. This method, also known as the tank method, involves a secondary fermentation that takes place in large tanks rather than in the bottle. This method is often used for producing sparkling wines that are meant to be consumed young, such as Prosecco. Section 3. Characteristics of sparkling wines. Sparkling wines have several characteristics that make them unique from still wines. Some of these characteristics are bubbles. The bubbles in sparkling wines range from fine and delicate to large and foamy, depending on the production method. Acidity. Sparkling wines have a high level of acidity, which makes them crisp and refreshing. Aroma. Sparkling wines have a range of aromas, depending on the grape varietal and production method. Common aromas in sparkling wines include green apple, citrus, and floral notes. Sweetness. Sparkling wines can range from very dry to sweet, depending on the production method and the amount of residual sugar in the wine. Section 4. Pairing sparkling wines with food. Pairing sparkling wines with food can be a bit tricky, but there are some general guidelines that can help you make the best match. Some popular pairings for sparkling wines are champagne. Pairs well with oysters, seafood, and creamy cheeses. Prosecco. Pairs well with light appetizers, salads, and fresh fruit. Cava. Pairs well with grilled meats, rich cheeses, and spicy foods. Congratulations! You've completed this training on sparkling wines. You now have a greater understanding of the different varieties, production methods, and characteristics of sparkling wines, as well as how to pair them with food. Remember to experiment and try new things to discover your own favorite sparkling wines and food pairings.